Drumming is loads of fun, but did you know that it can also be used as a form of self-care? Hey, I'm Dory Staley, certified drum therapist and owner of Next Stage Drumming. I have 5 tips that I'm going to share with you today. Now, you can either use a djembe like what I have, or you can use drumsticks and a drum pad or a drum kit. But first, tip number 1, you need to stretch out. Take some deep breaths and stretch. I usually do this. There we go. Wiggle your fingers, shake it out. Roll your shoulders. There you go. Sit up straight and get in the zone. Tip number 2 would be set your intention. Think about what you want to achieve with your drumming. It could be to reduce anxiety and stress, it could be improve focusing, or it could be just to play along to your favorite songs. Tip number 3, tap out some simple beats. Notice your beats and your breath. If you want, you can add some extra beats if you're an advanced drummer. Okay, so I'll start with a basic 3-beat pattern. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2. Add something to it. There you go. You can also, tip number 4, add affirmations or Bible verses for my Christian drummers out there. Using a drum pad or djembe, whatever you have available, you can tap out some beats and say some positive affirmations, whatever comes into your head. If you need healing, maybe it's something like, I'm going to get better and better every day. Or I can do this. I can rise up and rock. Shameless plug for my book. There you go. I can do all things through Christ. Whatever you want to add. Final tip number 5. Set up a practice schedule. Just like with any exercise program, you have to keep at it. You can't go to the gym once and expect to lose 20 pounds, right? The more you drum, the better you feel, my friends. So keep drumming, keep on rocking, and I'll see you next time. Any questions, just let me know. You can shoot me an email at dory@nextstagedrumming.com. And if you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe. Till next time.